Many people don't know that they can use Phantom Wallet to find trendy meme coins or meme coins that are currently trendy. And these meme coins have potential of doing very well. You will agree with me that for you to make money with meme coin, the coins need to be trendy. Yet coins that are currently trendy are the ones that you can make money from. Meme coins are not those coins that you tend to invest out for a long time. So if a meme coin is currently trendy and it has gained a lot of people's attention, people will be interested in it, and people is going to buy that coin and they're going to push the market cap of that particular coin upward. So the good thing is that with Phantom Wallet, you can use Phantom Wallet to see the coins that are currently trending. For example, as you can see on your screen, these are the coins that are currently trending in the past 24 hours. I guess Solana meme coins that is trending in the past 24 hours, as you can see on your screen. And you can see this first one has done over 13,000%, over 101%, as you can see on your screen. The good thing about Phantom Wallet is that Phantom Wallet have over 2 million users, even more than, and all these people are seeing these particular coins, which means that people that are seeing these coins are very plenty, which means that the coin is really gaining a lot of attention yet. And if you can jump into this coin in the right time, and this coin can do 2x or even 5x or even 10x you get. So how can you get to this particular part? And I'm showing everything, simply everything. All I want you to do is simply like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon. Please like this video, very important. So on your Phantom wallet, this Phantom wallet, I'm using this account for this demonstration. All you need to do is to simply come to this place that says search, get one click on the search. So let me go back again. It's not meant to take me here directly. Let's go take it to this particular page. Click on search, go take it to this particular page. Here is where you get to see the trendy coins, the top coins. You get, well, since we are dealing with the trendy coins, I'm going to tap on trendy coins. Click on same one. It's going to show you all the currently trendy coins. You get, you can tap on this 24 hours. We tap on this, it's going to, you can choose the time frame. You can see the coin that's trending in the last 1 hour. You see the coin trending in the last 24 hours. If you scroll down, you can see coins that are still coming up. You get all the coins that are very ranked. You get, you can see the coins that are big coming up. You get, that still that potential of doing very well. You get, so all you to do is to simply choose the one you're interested in. Yet, if you want to choose based on ticker and based on popularity. Ticker mean if they have any funny image, you get, they are called meme coin, memes. They are meant to be funny. So if you can choose a coin that's natural, if you look at this profile picture of the articles, it is funny. You know that okay, this calculation of doing well, you understand. So let's just randomly. I'm going to choose random yet. So let me just randomly choose this. I will click on it first, and after wallet, I'm going to show me some details about this particular coin. Yet okay, the market cap is 2.9 for market cap. It has not gone far, and it was launched July 7th. Over and 3,000 people are holding this particular coin. You get, so which is quite good. So the next thing is for you to select the few one that you want. What you do is to go to Dexscreener to check this particular coin you get. So the first one we are picking is what lower. Then you can check for others. So I want to check for other coins that I might be interested in, and then go over to Dexscreener to look at those particular ones. And that basically choosing the ones with lower market cap, because coins lower market cap can really make me money, because it should be easier for them to do 2x or 5x than coins with much larger market cap. Yet, so this particular one, Salana, okay, I will also check this one out. So guys, let's go out to this screen now. Okay guys, before we continue, this is the screen. I would like to give a disclaimer that I did not promise you money. You did not promise that this is going to make you money. Ensure you always do your own research before buying any of these particular coins. And in this video, I'm just showing you how you can potentially find good coins. Get, you can potentially find good coins. So I'll click on the search now. I'm going to search on the coins that we pick. And the first one was LORA. Lore, and you have to wait for it to look up and look up the coin. Okay, it was this first one. So I'm going to click on it, and as guys as can see, market cap is 3.2 market cap, and liquidity is locked, and it's looking all good. Get the next thing is also go to charts and transaction. This is why I like chat and transaction. With chat and transaction, you can see people who are putting money into this particular coins. You get just like I said, only buy coins that is gaining attentions. You get that people are currently interested in. Don't buy coins that people have lost interest in it because you buy those coins, you coming back or they just only those coins. You're not able to make money off it. You can only make money off coins that people are currently interested in. You get so let's check for it. So guys, the first thing I will do when I get it to click on this USD on a button, I'm going to put let's say greater than $100. This is why I like doing this is to show that people are putting in real money to this. Yeah, people are legitimately buying these coins. You can see people are putting in money into this particular coin. Not those your $10, $5. People are putting money, people are taking profit of this particular coin. And it's a good sign that this is not a rock. Yeah, so the next thing you'll be doing is waiting for a pullback to buy. Yeah, this is actually the top. I don't know how it has broken previous as okay. This is the top of this screen right now. You don't buy coins at that top. Never buy coins at the top. You get wait for pullback. Okay, this is a meme coin. The coin is really trendy. The coin will going up and down. People will surely take profits and coin surely go down. So remember, I'm looking for coins that can easily give you 2x get. Okay, the coin has gone to 7 million market cap before. I just want to check that. But at 10 market cap, to me, it's still very much at the top yet. So you don't enter this place. You prefer to, if you enter at 1 million market cap and you go to 2 market cap, that is like TS yet. If you enter at 2 market cap and the coin now drop down to 1 million market cap, you have lost more over 90% of what you put in. So wait for the coin to pump. You get wait for the coin to dump. It's surely going to dump. Just give a few minutes. Let's say if it dump to like 20 market cap, if you can enter this particular place, and from here you can set up. But if you have done your own research and you are very sure that oh you want to make money from it, then you can buy this place. But I always recommend and buy at dump when you dump you get. So guys, let's check out the other coins at. So guys, this is the second coin that we pick, and the name is Solana Inus. And the volume, the last 5 minutes, the volume is 2.8k, which it does not look good to be truth. So just several transactions in the last 5 minutes. And in the last 1 hour, okay, over 66 transactions, 12k volume, not bad, but it's not really look good. So let's check the chart and transactions. Yet, as you can see, there are no active buyers and sellers on this particular coin. Though there are few buyers, but not active buyers yet. So this is kind of coin that you can buy and keep looking at it. Probably in the next 1 hour, 15 minutes, it might do well, but we don't know yet. It's kind of retracing from the top 2.4. That's currently at 1 million market cap, 1.6 million market cap. The coin is not looking really very well though, because there are no active transactions. Or like the previous one, we can see massive buying and selling. Yet in the last 10 minutes, just about several transactions you get. And last time somebody transaction gone on this for just 2 minutes ago, they sold for $3, and this guy who bought 1k worth of it get. They can also use the funding portal to see people that have bought massively if they have sold off. You get this also plays factors. You get okay, those people sim wallet have bought more than 1k dollars worth of this particular coin. It's like 2k dollars of this particular token. So I don't know if they are currently doing promotion behind. I don't know. I can see massive sell off. This wallet taking profits. How they're taking profits. Let's see. Just massive sell off too. I don't know, sure, but and to me, it's not looking really nice because the coin is just it's just there's no moving yet. There's chance that you might still buy the coin and the next day the coin will do well yet. But good thing that we don't know, so I can't recommend you. And guys, if you know that Bitcoin, I'm calling um like these coins, I'm sure you guys and don't mean that you should go and buy this coin yet because the coin might not be doing well again by the time you start buying the coin yet. So let's check the last one. So the last one has a market cap of over $24 million and it's not fully locked. As you can see, you can confirm this using TTF boot or Telegram. You also check the transactions to see and look for potential place to buy the coins. So what you should take home from this other video is that you can use Phantom Wallet to find trendy coins, and you can go out there, search those particular coins, look for the ones that meet your requirements that you should buy. Buy the ones that there's active trades, as you can see. It was only the first coin that there were active transactions. So that's why it was good for buying. Yeah, it's good for transaction, but the others, nothing they earn. Well, this particular one might still be good. You can see there's kind of also little active transactions. And you know that if you want to buy the coin and don't buy the top, always buy the deep gets. So you should watch the coin, look for the next support zone and buy the coin. And the thing about coins with large market cap is that this coin is at the 4K market cap, 24 million market cap. If this coins to do 2x, you need to be at 48 million market cap, which is actually a very large move yet. But if you buy a coin that's at 1 million market cap and went to 24 million market cap, there is more than 1,000 x, you understand? So that's why it's very good to trade small market cap. But this particular ones can give you free percentage and give you um probably 2s, 1s, like it's or 30% off you get of what you put in. You get. So this will be it for this video. Go to like, subscribe, turn the bell icon. If you have any question in the comment section, give my Telegram WhatsApp community or see my next video. Peace out.